Howdy friends, it's time for another episode of the Blues Harp Biker. Well friends, today it's time to take the Honda 125 on its maiden voyage. I did a little adjustment to the carburetor on it and got it to where it was running pretty good. Put a new spark plug in it, and I think it's ready for its maiden voyage. So we're going to give it a ride today. I got it running and idling, and still there's no electrical system on it. The electrical system is going to need some major overhaul, or it might just be a fuse. Nothing works on the electrical system, as you can see. This kill switch doesn't work, turn signals, none of this stuff works. None of the lights work. Nothing works on it. So the tachometer works on it. I mean, that doesn't have anything to do with the electrical system. But let's see. Let's fire it up and see if we could get a ride out of it. It's our maiden voyage of the CB125S project. Maiden voyage of the CB125S. It goes along pretty good. Reminds me of the first bike I ever rode when I was a kid. My dad had a CB Honda 160 twin cylinder 160cc motorcycle, and it was one of those, I guess there's only 4 gears. I'm used to 5 gears, 6 gears. Got a black and chrome fuel tank on it. Looked kind of like one of those Honda Dreams. It was a real nice motorcycle. You know, it's a lot of fun to ride. It's a good little bike to learn on. I was about 11. This thing's going along pretty good. We're going 55. Runs smooth, seems to handle pretty good. Make a turn here. Wanted to see, it kind of felt like this throttle feels a little sluggish. Probably need to lubricate the cable, but here it is. This is a, you know, a bike for hundreds of dollars, you know, $250 here, and I'm riding it. I'm gonna have to put some money into it to get it right, you know, but still, they're out there if you look for them. You know, there's, I'm gonna turn around right here, go back, take it back home before I have any trouble. But it's a bike that you can ride, and it's relatively inexpensive and have some fun with, and it's a classic. Looks like we got some issues with the throttle here. All right. Hello, dog. Yeah, got some issues with the throttle. Not too bad. Little adjustments here and there. I mean, I don't know how long this bike sat either. You know, this bike, but it's on the road again. There's all kinds of things you could do when it comes to motorcycles, you know, just riding, or, you know, taking long trips, or putting old forgotten pieces of history back together, like this bike. Yeah, see, the throttle's sticking. It's wanting to idle too high. There, it's going back down. Uh-oh. 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 We just lost it. There we go. Pretty busy road to be taking this on. I mean, it's not a busy road, but people drive fast down it and they don't pay attention because there's no stops for miles. But like I said, you know, there's all kinds of things you could do when it comes to motorcycles. Building your own motorcycles, rebuilding old, forgotten pieces of history like this guy. You know, I don't know how far I'll get on it before I get other things going on, but might as well give it a try. And it's gone a lot further than it was just sitting like it was. Uh-oh. There we go. A lot of weird things going on with this thing. Good thing we're almost home. My hand signal here. Alright, we made it. We made it on a maiden voyage of the CB160. Or 125S, excuse me. I'm back in 1974 still. We got to figure out what's going on with this throttle here. See, it's idling up at 5,000. Should be idling down around 1,500. See what's going on here. See if it has something to do with the idle. Okay, well, I got this carburetor put back together. Somewhat, it looks like. I'm gonna start it again, see what happens here. See if the fuel stopped leaking. Okay, looks like maybe we've got, we're getting somewhere now. Turn the key. All right. There. That's more like it. Seems like she's a little flooded out. That don't sound too good. Well, I think we're gonna have to do some tuning. Pull that carburetor off. All right, friends, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell so that you know when I'm downloading more videos. Had a lot of fun today cruising around on a little Honda project, and that thing's going to be going pretty soon. Tune in. Next time I'm going to do a little more riding on the Harleys, and maybe we'll meet some of my friends next week when we get a little bit better weather. It's supposed to rain a little bit on and off all next week, and it rained yesterday. It's supposed to rain today, so that's no fun, but we need the rain here in Central California. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you want more information about my music too, go to www.johncliftonmusic.com, and also you can check me out on Instagram. It's John Cliftone, it's my name with an E on the end of it. So that's it for today. Stay safe, and let's rock and roll. Let's keep going and having a good time, and you know, be good to each other. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time.